Welcome back to another monthly review. This is by far the most exciting monthly review since I got the car. Oh, I'm so excited to share this. So, okay, I don't want to spoil anything yet. You guys have been following along, you know I crashed it, you know all that bullshit, insurance, all that. We'll get to how much it cost. We'll start in the trunk because there's been a few slight improvements back here. For starters, there's now a permanent chair. I went to Canadian Tire, bought it on sale. It was about half price, so I spent 25 bucks on it. I wanted to buy a good quality chair. I've had the $10 ones from Walmart and that kind of stuff, and they're really uncomfortable. So I wanted something that I could spend some time in. If I'm gonna go to car shows, I'm gonna be a part of this stuff and go to my Northern Muscle Alliance, I need to get off my feet. My hips suck, so screw it, get off my feet. Sponsors. I know there's a love-hate for sponsors. There's more work I will be doing with these guys. ACS Composites, Stow & Show, spectacular customer service. I've said it time and time again. TopHatPlus, that is me. Lethal Camaro supported his channel. And Speed and Strength. Currently wearing some of their, very, very nice apparel. A lot more to come on that. A lot more to do with the bike. But their casual wear says SS on it. I drive it super slow. And then you can see a sneak peek right here. I've also ACS Composite in the back window, mainly for nationals. These guys have been so good to me. Their products are so freaking great that I really want people to know that I don't just buy them, but I believe in them. Car is extremely dirty, as I'm sure you can tell, but that's not what this, oh, did I just spoil it? Oh, so this is it. Bow ties wrapped, blue, we're back, vinyls on it, boom, boom, ba-doom, ba-doom, boom, boom, boom. As you can tell, license plate, this is the plate that went through the crash. It did get folded around the Stow & Show, and a bit of a funny story, those screws right there, I had to actually pick the paint, the dark metallic paint from the Mercedes out of the screw heads in order to undo them. TopHatPlus, I put that back where I had it. Nothing new, but this is new. Northern Muscle Alliance, this is happening. I spent about 3 hours on this last night. I wanted to have something. I wanted to take it to the next level. I wanted to represent. I wanted a conversation piece. I wanted people to ask me. Ultimately, I want to get some of those cool flags that would go underneath the back tire here and go up like 10 feet and be, Northern Muscle Alliance, something cool, but cost prohibitive at this point. So forget about it. This is it. New under tray. New everything. It's like a whole new car. And I am just so freaking excited. I just rolled 33,100, I think 4 kilometers on this beast. She's clean. She's mean. She's lean. She's a full out fighting, ready to kill machine. So I think that's it. Not much to say. The car's awesome. As always, everything about it. The vinyl guy did a great job. Camaro Nationals are coming. I'm hoping to be able to make it. We'll see. I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver, but it's going to be pretty spectacular if I can make all that go down. So that's it. That's my car. She's back, and she's not just at 100%. She's at 110%. Northern Muscle Alliance is set for takeoff. Let me know what you guys think of the whole slogan logo thing. I'm just experimenting and playing and trying. I don't know how I feel about it, but I wanted to have something. Will it progress? Absolutely. Will it evolve? Absolutely. Do I need your help, feedback, and support? Absolutely. So let's get this going. Let me know what you guys think. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave as always.